Unfortunately, after we turn 20, we lose about 1% of our collagen every year. And there's really no way to rebuild that collagen without having a treatment like this. There's a few other surgical things that you can do. But this device is great because it uses ultrasound to identify your connective tissue, and that's exactly what Rachel's looking at on the screen here. At the top is the ultrasound, so for any women in the room who've had a baby before, you understand how ultrasound works. You put a little gel on and you can see beneath the surface of your skin. So Rachel's looking for our beautiful model's connective tissue layer, and she's firing the energy precisely into that tissue. So there's, a lot of different hand pieces that she can work with according to the patient's anatomy, and she customizes each and every treatment to the different patient's anatomy, as I was saying. We're not all made the same, we're all unique, so we all have to have a little slightly different treatment. The results from this treatment usually take about 2 to 3 months to appear, because as I said, we're also working with your body's own immune system to have that healing response to trigger that collagen production. So it's not something that happens overnight. And as I said, we're looking for, the collagen-rich layer of the skin. So that's not right on the surface of the skin. So this treatment's amazing in the sense like it's not going to cause bright redness, it's not going to cause peeling, because we're actually bypassing the fragile surface of the skin.